Do you want to see a trader make 10K a month consistently in the year 2026? Well, this is the video and channel for you. What's going on, you guys? My name is Aries, and I took it upon myself in the year 2026 to demonstrate how any trader can start trading with prop firms and make great money if you follow simple rules, a simple strategy, and just stay consistent. So this is going to mark video number 2, and I'm going to break down how it's going so far, going over the payouts that I've already received, which we've already received payouts, okay guys, already in week number 2 of this challenge, right? January. I think it is January 13th. So not even 2 weeks in, we've already received our first payouts on this challenge, which I'm going to be breaking that down shortly over on this side, okay? But if you guys are new and you guys want to actually see if I'm going to complete this and keep making 10K a month for the rest of this year, be sure you like, comment, and of course, subscribe just to see if this guy does it and how you guys can do it too. And hopefully it motivates you guys to just keep going on your trading journey. So enough talking, let's get into the stats of these accounts, how we're going to go about these accounts moving forward. And just kind of get into the nitty gritty, my stats and everything, and so you guys can compare to your own stats and see how you guys are doing. So enough talking, let's actually get into the important part. Okay, you guys, so we are now on my desktop, and I am going to be showing you guys how the accounts are looking. And you guys have to remember, I am copy trading these accounts. So what you see on this account is going to be spread across the other accounts. So I'm not just flipping, back and forth through accounts. So just wanted to say that out there. And I am only going to be showing you my stats on TradeZella. I'm not going to be going into my top SIP account. I'm just going to be showing you guys exactly how it's looking here. Just the general information. Okay. And I may show you guys the payout. So we'll see if you guys are nice. But so the net P&L that we have achieved on this account is going to be $5,108, which is pretty good. Excuse me. My trade win rate so far, we have a 78% win rate, which honestly is pretty good. We do have a winning strategy. Okay. Profit factor is 2.62. Day win 90%. And then average win to loss. So I am negative, right? I will say I do scalp a little bit more than I do day trade. Most of my trades are probably not longer than about 20 minutes to maybe 30 minutes leading up to an hour. But that's the usual. You will catch me taking some trades that are longer than that, but that's not usually the case, okay? But as far as having a negative profit factor, is just I get in, I get out. I look for about $250 to about $500 in a trade. If I can at least secure enough to be eligible for a payout, I'm taking the money and I'm walking away. So that's kind of the reason for that, right? Okay, let's go down here. And these are just the trades over here. You guys can look at those. I do trade NAS, I do trade gold. So you do see MGC and you do see MNQ. Okay. So let's go back in November when we started this. Okay. Sorry, there we go. December, right? So you guys can see the stats right here. I'm not going to break down the numbers. 1.5. See that? Overall, we made 2.89K. I don't know why that sounded a bit weird to come out of my mouth, but whatever. And then you guys can see the week 1, we did $204. It was a very short week. And then as you guys see, last week we did 1.34, and currently this week we are at $678 total. Okay, so obviously we're not looking too bad, guys, right? And like I said, we have already requested a payout with these accounts, and we're looking to request another one. Okay, we are on our 4th trading day. We got grain here. We did end up losing. If we would have got this trade, that would have ended up being the trade that we needed to secure another payout, but which is fine. You're not going to win every single time. So we did get 500 here, 752 here, 434 here, and then today we did lock in $244. Okay. So now let's go over to the payout so you guys can see this is not a facade, this is actually true, okay? And as you guys can see, we did submit these payouts right here, the amounts, okay? And that did hit the bank account as of yesterday. So not a bad day so far, guys. We are doing pretty good on this challenge, right? So we have about 3 more trading weeks. If we do well tomorrow, we secure another payout, and that leaves us with 2 more weeks to secure $10,000 a month in trading. So it looks like we're off to a great start, if I say so myself. I will, in the next video, kind of go over some of the setups that we took, but this video is just a general overview of how the accounts are doing and how we are obviously doing on these accounts, okay? But that's the basis of the video. It's kind of going to be short and sweet. Like I said, if you guys do like content like this, you're seeing an everyday guy. I mean, literally wearing a bonnet, t-shirt, and some sweats. Not, in some professional gear, because you don't need to. I'm trading in my home because that is the freedom of trading, right? The ability to do it anywhere, how you want to, just dress how you want to, and just overall do whatever you want. That's the freedom, right? But obviously you need the skill set to do it, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve that. If you guys are new traders, been trading for a little bit, just not profitable, just stick along for the ride, okay? But enough talking. I will see you guys in the next video. I will also say I will be posting 3 times a week. You will be getting a video Wednesday, tomorrow, Friday, and Mondays, okay? So 3 times a week. Just expect the video on this channel, and we will try our best to be consistent this year. And I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.